In this session, we're going to provide an overview of the tools available to the owner to evaluate bids. For the job that we've been using for these demonstrations, you can now see that on the owner manager's dashboard, the job is now in jobs pending bid evaluation. The bids weren't due for a couple more days yet, but all the work groups have submitted the bid, so that moved the job from jobs out for bid to this status, and we can go ahead and proceed with bid evaluation. Go to our jobs dashboard. You say pending evaluation, and when we go to look, we have a new transaction we can access called evaluate bids. Open this. We're going to create an evaluation, and what this is going to do is bring in all of our base data by phase code. So we've got our original estimate where we, the owners, estimated 360. Now we can see on a base process that test work group 1 is at 334, 2 is at 354, and 3 is at 350. We can go down and take a look a little bit lower here. And we've got a thing that we call change order 0. If changes are made in the design, we'll see what they are right here. So if you recall, work group 1 said, hey, we had 2 errors in our concrete backfill, and they added more footages to those, which increased this. They also said, hey, we need more safety on this job, so they added hours to that, and then they reduced their mobilization and demobilization. So overall, 2 ups, 1 down, and came up with a reduction of $1,600. So from the 334 base bid, they're going to reduce it by an additional $1,600 to 332, and this is their submitted bid. It's also feasible to have some evaluations in here for safety, quality, overall performance. And those metrics, if used by the owner, will provide a percentage up, down to come up with an effective bid price. If you're interested in effective bid prices, contact us. We'll walk through that concept in greater detail. It's something that is used frequently by the government in doing contract evaluation to determine the effective low bidder, which takes into account not only their price, but their performance in several key areas. So in our next session, we're going to go through and demonstrate how you will award a project to the work group once the bid evaluation has been completed.